What? Cote de Rome. Yeah, this is good stuff. This is my new favorite red wine, Cote de Rome. Come on, why is there a fly? Is that a fly or is that my hand? Taking a video. Yeah, so we're supposed to go to that vegan spot tomorrow. Should be good. Quentin swears by it. Like, it's the best vegan food you'll ever have in your life. I'm like, okay, I hope so. I told him I was going to be mad at him if it wasn't. And he was like, Miss Girl, I can't control who the chef is that day. So, welcome to my, I don't even know how to start talking on camera because I'm always kind of confused of like, what do I say? How do I say it? I don't know. I usually don't talk in my videos just because I don't like to narrate every single thing that I do. I'd rather show you guys than tell you. But some people tell me like, oh, you should talk more. We want to hear you speak. So I'm like, okay, I'll speak. In terms of my channel, I'm just like trying to find a healthy balance between talking and not talking, but still showing you what I'm doing. Still holding your interest, you know what I mean? Like it's a science to it. And I also want to make my videos longer because people tell me, oh, do longer, but it's just like I'm usually throughout the week I'm busy. One, like I said, two, I was trying to figure out what my life is going to be post graduation and getting myself acclimated and whatnot. And then three, I'm like I work also, so it's kind of hard to film every single second. You know what I mean? Like, but I don't want to leave you guys hanging with a little bit of video. I don't know. Something I was thinking about is like the only way to extend my videos and make them a little bit longer is by talking, because there's only so much I can show and still hold your attention. I mean, you know, what people are interested in is subjective. So, you know what I mean? I don't know if let me know if I'm making sense in the comments. I don't know. But yeah, I'm like surrounded by animals right now. There's a squirrel over there eating. But yeah, like I said, just trying to get myself acclimated post-graduation, and that's why I took a 3-week break off of YouTube, because I couldn't do YouTube, be outside vlogging, and then also trying to organize my life and get myself situated and try and find a job. You know what I mean? Like, it was just too much, and I think that breaks are necessary because sometimes not taking a break can cause a creative block. Like, I didn't even know what to film. I didn't even feel like filming because I was so busy and stressed. So now that I took that break, I'm ready to come back. I'm ready, you know, I'm back. Even this week, I was like, what do I make a video about? But I'm like, you know what, let me just take myself outside of my comfort zone and talk, because that extends the videos. Because when you don't talk, there's only, like I said, there's only so much I could do of not talking. So I'm gonna try and talk. And I'm gonna try and stop being so shy too, because like, why? Why am I this shy? I don't know, but. I was just talking to him about how he has me walking a lot.
We're walking, but fighting.
We are walking. No, he's
going to
saying
get some good food.
Vegan food that
vegetarian.
Come on now.
No longer by Chloe. She got sued. Chloe got sued, so now it's Beat Nick.
Yep.
Beat Nick. All right, we're going this way.
But yeah, it's very stylish. He got the, what is he wearing today? I actually picked this out.
The blue shorts.
Yeah, I picked
the black and white top. The necklace, the rings. The white Adidas.
Lavender bag.
The lavender bag with the lavender tattoo. What? Come on now.
They're not doing it like
they
that.
Ain't doing
They're
it like
still not doing it like that.
They never do it like that.
Oh my god, that's funny. I picked his outfit out on FaceTime yesterday.
Yeah.
He's like, what do I wear? I'm like,
and we got the nice dress, the little cute I don't know if it's a dress. To be honest. It's
No, it
very
is a
nice.
dress.
It's nice and colorful.
And I got it for $4.99 at Urban Outfitters.
Wow,
Yes.
she's making she's stealing. She's stealing. Want to do a video of you going in?
Give me a reason, I'll let you know. These are the seasons, I watch them go. Give me a reason, I'll let you know. These are the seasons, I watch them go. Give me a reason, I'll let you know. Girl, you're my Jerusalem, my city on a hill. Searching for my heaven in the deepest parts of hell. Well, time wasted, no lies with me. She took me by the hand. Lead me in to your promised land.
Free boat thing. Folks, we're on it. We're
On a ship for free.
for free. What is this place called?
The South Street Seaport Museum.
Yeah, so if you come here, okay, I don't even know how to explain it, but when you come to the South Seaport, right, you make a right. It's the ship on the right. Yes.
It's the 1885 cargo ship Waver Tree.
Waver Tree. And get on, and it's nice. It's very quaint. Get to see what it was like back in, what did she say, the early days when making New York into the metropolis that it became?
That's right.
Daydream with me, let your mind explore.
We can check it out after. I'm up for it. I feel like this place is gonna be expensive. You wanna go to Ultra Cruise?
And we're already here. Let's just go check it out and then go to L Train.
Yeah, because L Train is down that way.
Right. I'm gonna tell them.
On the telly.
No, I'm gonna tell them.
Yeah.
That it's you behind the camera.
Exactly.
So we're going to Kyoto. It's a place that the cameraman found on his little iPhone. And when he typed in the numbers, this is what had popped up on Google Maps. This is where we're going. Let's see if it's expensive. You know how I get down, I'll put a little montage of everything inside. It looks
Yeah,
expensive.
and we're
Look at
not
the
cheap.
art.
We're not cheap.
Oh, we are. I am. So we wound up at the more affordable option. Okay, let's go and shop. If we were supposed to be on it, the door wouldn't have closed on us. You see?
But also my card wasn't accepting.
Oh, well,
And
but maybe it happened for a reason. Everything happens for a reason.